How to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to remove the end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and then search for the updates of Messenger. If there is any, then you need to simply tap on the update button next to the Messenger app and then update the Messenger applications to the latest versions so that you won't face any kind of glitches and issues or enjoy the latest features on it. Once done, open the Messenger app and log into your account. Let me open any particular chat and show how the end-to-end encryption look like. When you scroll to the top, you can see end-to-end encrypted. So in order to turn off it, you need to simply come back and get exit from this chat and then select the three-line menu icon or three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then on this left panel, select the gear icon at the top right corner. On this section, you have to scroll down and under Preferences, select Privacy and Safety option. Now under Security, select End-to-End Encrypted Chats option and then select Security Alerts. Here you have to open Manage Security Alerts option and make sure to toggle off the bottom of both of this option, that is your devices or keychains and contact devices or keychains. Once you have done that, you need to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. If yet not, and if you again see end-to-end encrypted, the only way to remove it or turn off it is simply let's come back from here and tap and hold the entire chat and then select the delete button. If you are sure that you want to delete the entire chat, then you can select the delete button and then again start a new conversation with the same person, and that will be without end-to-end encrypted chats. That means we will turn off end-to-end encrypted or encryptions in Messenger.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.